Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the best spot to farm Bloodstone in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. This spot is in the northwest of the letter I of the word Payloon in the same region. If you're standing at the exact spot as I am in the map, you'll see these 3 Bloodstone mining nodes right away. This is the first spot you'll want to farm. Now just below us to our left, you'll see a small cave entrance. Head down to this cave and there will be a bunch of Bloodstone nodes with an abyss crescent at the very bottom. You also need to be careful as touching the lava will instantly kill you. So far, this area is the best farming spot for this type of ore that I've found. I'm using the mining knuckle drill to mine these nodes. If you're curious about this gear, we have a video covering on how to get it, so make sure to check it out. Bloodstone is a key material for refining your gears in the game, so farming them is essential to your progression. There will be also a few Bloodstone nodes if you follow the path down the hill that you might want to check out. And that is the best spot to farm Bloodstone in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.